Good morning, students. Welcome back to the science class. In the previous class, we have learned about primary teeth, permanent teeth, and kinds of permanent teeth and how they help us. Today, let us learn about parts of tooth, cavities, and taking care of teeth. First, let us know about parts of tooth. The tooth consists of two major parts. They are the crown and the root. Children, the part of the tooth which we can see is called the crown, and the root holds the tooth in the jaw. It is about 2/3 of the tooth. That means root is longer than the crown. We cannot see the root as it is covered by the gum. The number of roots for each type of tooth varies from each other. And children, again these crown and root are divided into parts. They are enamel, dentine, pulp and gum. These are the main parts of the tooth. Now let us learn about enamel. Enamel is the outer layer of the tooth. It protects the inside portion of the tooth. It is very hard. Do you know, children? Enamel is the hardest substance in our body. It helps to break down food. If any damage is caused to the enamel means it causes tooth decay and cavities. So children, we have to keep our teeth clean. And the next part is dentine. It is covered by the enamel and lies between the enamel and pulp. Dentine is softer than enamel but harder than bone. It strengthens the tooth's enamel and helps to support the structure of the tooth and also plays an important role inside the tooth. It forms the layer of the tooth that surrounds the dental pulp. And the next part is pulp. Pulp is inside the dentine and it is present in the center of the tooth. It is soft and has blood vessels, connective tissue and nerves in it. Nerves which are present in the pulp are like threads and help you sense pain, touch, heat or cold. That means sometimes when you eat any cold items like ice creams or when you drink hot milk, you may feel sensitive feeling in your teeth. It is because of the nerves that are present in your teeth. The primary function of the pulp is to form dentine and supply nutrients to the teeth. And the next part is gum. The gums surrounds the teeth and provide a seal around them. They protect the teeth and underlying bone. Understood, children? About the parts of tooth. Now let us know about cavities. What are cavities? Cavities are decayed areas of your teeth that develop into small openings or holes. Cavities are formed because of damage of the tooth. That means decay of the tooth. Tooth decay can affect both enamel and also dentin. Children, if food particles are stuck in between the teeth means a sticky layer called plaque forms on the teeth. Because of the formation of the plaque, a tiny creatures like microbes which are not visible to us develop on our teeth and feed on this plaque. These microbes that live in the mouth produce acids as waste. These acids attack the enamel and makes a hole in our tooth and cause infection in the pulp. This can be very painful, and also black spots may appear on the tooth. This indicates the decay of the tooth called as dental caries or cavities. So children, we must keep our mouth clean and eat food that will make our teeth stronger. So now let us know how should we take care of our teeth. First we have to brush our teeth twice a day. This helps to remove all food particles that get stuck while eating and could cause the teeth rot. Rot means decay. Children, you should brush your teeth properly to keep them clean and healthy. Here are some tips for proper brushing. Place your toothbrush at a 45-degree angle to the gums. And next, gently move the brush in up and down directions. And again, move downward and outward directions of the teeth. And also in the circular motion on the premolars and molars. Understood children? How to brush the teeth? And also children, floss your teeth once a day. Flossing means to clean in between the teeth with a soft thread. Flossing of teeth removes the food stuck between the teeth that cannot be removed by brushing. Understood children? And next, clean your tongue with the help of a tongue cleaner to remove the bacteria. Massage the gums with a finger. Children, avoid eating too many sweets and chocolates because eating of too many sweets and chocolates cause cavities. And also children, rinse your mouth with water after eating. Rinsing with water protects your enamel by removing food left over in your mouth. Visit the dentist regularly once in 6 months for a checkup. Understood children how we have to take care of our teeth? Okay children, we have completed the second lesson all about teeth. In the next class, I will give the notes for this lesson. Now note down today's assignment. Draw a well-labeled diagram of tooth. Thank you children. Stay home and stay safe.